Welcome to today's Theme Park Adventures, where today I am in another video and I am at EPCOT and I am about to go on Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind. Supposed to be many people's favourite coasters from what I've heard. One quick fact to get out of the way: this is the most expensive roller coaster ever built. One of the biggest indoor roller coasters also ever built. Also, it costs estimated around about $500 million, a lot. And it's so big that you can fit 4 spaceship Earths in there. If you don't know what that is a pretty big building. So yeah, there's loads of facts to cover in it. Opened in 2022. There's loads of other stuff I could mention, but let's just get on it because this thing looks amazing.
Our planet, Xandar, orbits around not 1, but 3 stars or suns.
Getting around Xandar couldn't be easier. Our solar trains run day and night, thanks to our nearly endless supply of light.
For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the Cosmic Generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts.
Hey, what's up, Novacore? Our Cosmic Generator has been stolen. What?
How?
Why didn't we think of that? That thing's gotta be worth a fortune.
I am Groot.
Good question.
Yeah, who do you think's up here?
Perhaps that really big man outside your ship.
That is a big man.
Okay, I've locked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Rex!
Good luck.
Noise.
Noise. No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have we done?
I think we're jumping back.
The Big Bang. Let's see, baby.
We gotta get that generator. It's the only way back.
Got the generator.
We have no room in our ship for these new guys.
Drax, it's an honorary title. They're not coming with us.
I see. It is meaningless. Well then, welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy. The And where's that cake toast?
So, just coming off the most expensive roller coaster in the entire world, Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind. My thoughts, we'll get to that in a minute, because first I need to explain the story so you know exactly what I'm talking about. Otherwise, I'll probably just be talking about nonsense for the whole time if I don't explain. So yeah, you're going up to a spaceship using a teleporter to go check out a different galaxy and a plasma orb. Then, I don't know, I haven't watched any of the Guardians of the Galaxy films, so I don't know if he is part of the Guardians of the Galaxy stuff, but like this magic, like orange and rock kind of creature just appears out of nowhere, grabs the plasma orb and runs off with it through one of the portals that the people who want to show us our galaxy got to get here. And then he was going to go back in time to the dawn of time and prevent the Big Bang from happening, so Earth and all human biological life will just like never have existed. Which, to be fair, does sound like a good plan if you're a villain. But yeah, now you kind of know the story. Like the Guardians got called up, and you're going with them to track down the monster or whatever it is. I have no idea what most of this stuff means. But yeah, another thing I know is that on Ride there's songs, and I know there's like everyone bangs on about like everyone wants one particular song. We got One Way or Another. But yeah, that's about the songs bit. But yeah, you come out of pre-show going into 4 different types of stations. You got 2 loading stations and 2 off-board stations, and all while that's happening, you've got some of the best theming I've ever seen in my life. Then you get on, and each car can rotate, and if you know what Cobra's Curse at Busch Gardens, Tampa Bay is, which we are going to later in my Florida trip, which has Aranguazi, so be sure to look out for that. Like, it spins like that. It's a controlled spin, but it does spin quite a lot. I wouldn't say it's like it doesn't make you sick or anything, but yeah, great ride. I've went through some of the merch for it as well. Some of the merch looks absolutely obscene, but yeah, great ride, and now I see why it is the most expensive ride in the world. So yeah, that's Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind. Thank you for watching Dave's Theme Park Adventures, and I'll see you in the next video.